Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another exciting design tutorial with UXMate. Today, we are going to learn how to create a fancy loading animation in Figma. Yes, so let's get started with the tutorial. Well, before we get started, make sure you have already subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon. If not, then you are going to miss a lot of exciting design content. So, yes, let's jump into the Figma file. So I have a test phone, no iPhone screen. You can do it for anything, doesn't matter. Let's quickly create a rectangle somewhere around the dimensions which we want our loader to be. Maybe a little bit taller. Let's see. Let's do it 300 and maybe by 44 pixels. Okay. Then adjust the border radius. Make it the entire like 50% kind of curve. We'll remove the fill and we'll give it a stroke. Let's use maybe some bluish kind of thing. You can choose any color, doesn't matter. Let's have 2 as a border thickness. Okay, then I'll be creating a simple loading animation, which would be a simple what we say, like the stacking lines. Let's just create a rectangle somewhere around maybe 30 pixels, 30 pixels in the height, and then 4 pixels in the width, and align it to the center. Let's just duplicate it. Keep on duplicating. You can hit Command D or Control D to duplicate the objects. Okay, I guess this looks good. Let's select all the rectangles, the duplicated rectangles, not the outer rectangle. So let's union this, so this will basically allow us to add a single gradient color to entire our loading animation, or the loading lines, we can say. Now we'll go to the linear gradient. We'll select something, some shade of blues. You can play around with the colors which you want. Okay, and then for this maybe I'll be reducing the opacity to 0, because I want to start from the faded lines and then end at the solid line. Okay, colors you can define which you want based on your theme. Doesn't matter, you may use Figma variables as well. Okay, so the basic setup is done. Let's just create one quick thing, and we'll be having one more rectangle, the almost the of the same length, and we'll rename it as mask loading lines, and then background. Okay, I'll just move it down in the layer stack. Okay, I'll select mask and the loading lines together, and I'll create a mask out of it. I'll select entire group. Or the entire objects which I have drawn. I'll make a component out of it. I can give it a good name, component. I'll just move it outside the frame. I'll give it loaded for now. Okay, oops. Loading animation. Okay, let's create a variant, properties variant. Let's add auto layout to the component. Let's create another variant. We'll create complete. We'll give it a name, complete, and the first variant would be 0 maybe. I'm not sure, you can give any name, doesn't matter. Let's create quick interaction. Let's have after delay interaction, and we'll be having 1 millisecond. Okay, and now we'll be having change to, and then smart animate, and then you can define ease in, ease out, or ease out, or a custom bezier, or you can define which timing curve you want. Let's keep ease out for now. And then the duration here would be your loading and loading time. So basically, let's say I want to load this for 1 second, kind of I want to create a loader which will load a 1 second long content for now. Let's say so I'll create 1 second. Okay, now we don't want to a looping animation, so we'll just create one variant for now. Or if we want a loop, we can definitely create a, or let's create a loop just for the testing purpose. I'll create on click, not on click, sorry. I'll create after delay again, like 1, or let's have 200 milliseconds, because we'll just hold it for a second or like for a couple of microseconds, and then we'll be having 1 millisecond to go back to the zeroth state. Now what we have to do for the zero, we'll go to design tab, we'll select the mask group, we'll select the mask, and we'll reduce the width of this to maybe 1 2 or 5 pixels, somewhere where our first line is not visible at all. Right now I'll simply bring the variant to the frame, and let's test the interaction. Okay, so yes, we have cool loading animation. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Keep learning, keep designing. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to add your comments and share this with all your friends and the fellow designers you're working with.